Hello everyone, welcome to Dimpu Rhymes. Dear students, today I am going to teach you a sound of letter A. So now let's add the letter and make a word with the sound A-T, at. Here I have given some letters. Add these letters to the given sound at. Okay, now I am taking this m at, mat. This is mat. Now I am taking this h. Sound of H is h. H at, hat. This is the picture of hat. B at, bat. Now let's add the picture bat. R at, rat. This is rat. M at, mat. H at, hat. B at, bat. R at, rat. Now this is the sound of letter A with T, and the sound is at. I hope this video help your child to learn the sound of letter A with the T. And remember that this video is for l.kg students. Thank you.